I'm going to explain and demonstrate a multiplication technique called lattice or lattice method. In this technique, we use these boxes and lines for figuring out our multiplication problems. In our first problem, we have the number 176 that we are going to multiply by 2. And in doing this, we are simply going to fill in our boxes with the different multiples. Here we have 1 times 2 is 2. So upper left in the tens place we have 0 and 2 in the ones place. 7 times 2 is 14, 1 in the tens place, 4 in the ones place, and 6 times 2 is 12. So we have 1 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place. Now we add our digits together here, and in this column with our diagonal lines we have the number 2. Here we have 1 plus 4 is 5, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Here we have a 0 that we can bring down. It does not hold a value. So our final answer will be 352. Now we're going to move ahead and use 2-digit numbers to multiply. We'll use the number 35 times 42. Each time we multiply, we need a row and a column for each of the digits in our multiplication problem. So this problem, I'm going to start with our 3 and our 2 because when we're using lattice, it is not important as to which box you begin in. So 3 times 2 is 6, 0, 6. 5 times 4 is 20, 2, 0. 4 times 3 is 12. And lastly, 5 times 2 is 10. Now for the addition, which with the addition as well, it does not matter which order you add in. So I'm going to start here. We have our 1 by itself. 2 plus 2 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 1 plus 6 is 7. And 0. So our final answer for this is 1470 or 1470. Our last problem, I'm going to multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. And we're going to multiply 163 by 52. And like I said before, it does not matter which box you start in, so I'm just going to randomly start here. We have 6 times 5 is 30. We have 3 in the tens place, 0 in the ones. Here we have 6 times 2 is 12, 1 in the tens place, 2 in the ones place. 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. 5 times 3 is 15. And 3 times 2 is 6. The addition, 6 alone is 6. 5 plus 0 is 0, plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus another 1 is 2, plus another 2 is 4. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 0 is 8. And 0 here alone does not hold any value, but we'll bring it down to make sure we are not forgetting any digits. Now when we add our totals or find our total, we always start at the furthest left. 0 doesn't hold any value, so we will not include that in our final answer. But we have 8,476 as our final answer. So 8476. And that concludes how to multiply with using lattice method.